Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me for week 5, classic theories and concepts from the 1960s and 70s. So I'm going to be going over Taylor and the similarities with Kotz and Kahn's concepts, and then I will close out with my thoughts on both of them. So, of course, as we all know, Taylor, he emphasized the one best way. He was the father of management. He came up with the scientific management style, which kind of treated everyone like robots. There was a one specific way to do the job to maximize productivity, and he was all about time and speed, and kind of the employee was dispensable, and that's where he got a lot of pushback. Was employees were not treated as humans, they were treated as a means to maximize productivity and just get the job done. However, fast forward 100 years, and we have Daniel Kotz and Robert Kahn, and they kind of come at it from a psychologist perspective, and they're like, wait a minute, um, maybe there are multiple ways to accomplish various goals. There's not just one specific way. There are factors of the environment that play into the industry and productivity, and they kind of had this open systems theory. So something that might work management style for the finance department might not work for the public relations department or the marketing department, and you kind of have to adjust and adapt for the specific industry to maximize productivity and efficiency. So what do I think? I think that, of course, Frederick Taylor was ahead of his time. He did a great job of kind of getting the industrial age in line and maximizing productivity. But then as we kind of progressed and evolved, we definitely needed to go towards the Kotz and Kahn's thought process of that there isn't just one best way. We aren't robots, unfortunately. We do have factors. Something that might make me perform better might not make my fellow coworker perform the same. So we kind of have to adjust management styles for the environment, for the person, to maximize that productivity because it's evolving. The industries evolve. We have to change according to the times. And for example, in my specific job, I work for AAA in the property damage auto claims department. So going with Kotz and Kahn's theory, if we're all interconnected. So if I mess up something and my claim goes over to the bodily injury department, it's going to mess up down the line. So we all kind of have to work together. We're all connected. It's about that interdependence, that organizations have interconnected relationships also with their environment. So just in my specific realm, we have several different areas. We have the property damage team, which I'm on. We have bodily injury. We have underwriting. We have we have special investigations unit. There are tons of things involved, and we kind of have to adapt management that works for us at the property damage level. It would not work at the bodily injury level, and vice versa. So you have to adapt. You can't just have this one best way that Taylor was emphasizing. You have to change. So thank you folks for watching my presentation on the comparisons between Taylor and Kotz and Kahn. I really appreciate your time.